Are you looking for the best pressure cookers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pressure cookers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Instant Pot Duo Plus 6-quart Whisper Quiet 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. This newest version of the Instant Pot Duo Plus V4 offers a sleek new look and updated control panel features. Some great improvements were also made to the cooker's steam valve, making it safer and quieter. In part, the Duo Plus is our favorite model for one key reason: its ever-increasing quality. This is the 4th version of the Duo Plus. We've also tested the Duo Plus V3 in this review, which performs very similarly. Each new rendering of this product is continually safer and more user-friendly. We also don't want to leave out how well the Duo Plus cooks. It's a superb pressure cooker with 8 additional cooking modes: slow cooker, rice, steam, sauté, yogurt, sous vide, cake, and keep warm. With this 9-in-1, all of your cooking bases are covered. The real game changer for us is its amazing ability to cook delicious, fall-off-the-bone meats. We were always hungry for more. The Duo Plus can also whip up a decent helping of rice, but it is a little more temperamental when it is time to sauté. Eventually, we achieve the best results on low heat instead of high. Finally, we really appreciate the Duo Plus's interactive control panel that sends text alerts on the status of the cooking process as well as alerts on possible complications. There is little to complain about with the Instant Pot Duo Plus. However, our testers agree there is some room for improvement. We found its steel pot challenging to clean, particularly after sautéing. Additionally, this product may be a little too large for homes or apartments with limited cupboard space. If you are looking to add a powerful new cooking tool to a tiny space, we highly recommend taking a look at the highly portable, easily stored 7-in-1 Instant Pot Duo Mini. At 3 quarts, it won't serve a full-size family. But for smaller meals, it's a game changer. Number 2. Breville BPR 700 BSS Fast Slow Pro Slow Cooker. The Breville Fast Slow Pro is one of our favorite pressure cookers. With a streamlined interface and a boatload of cooking features, it easily separates itself from the pack. It offers the most presets and cooking modes, almost to an overwhelming degree. Luckily, the Breville provides an incredibly intuitive, 3-dial interface that lets you cycle through all of these settings and fine-tune cook times and pressure levels with ease. We particularly liked the automated steam release valve on this machine. You can either set the valve to open automatically when the cooking is done or just open it with the push of a well-positioned button. It is nice to release the steam without putting your hand anywhere near the valve, although we didn't feel unsafe using any of the tested models. The Breville was also the only model that slightly stood out from the pack in cooking ability, mainly when it came to meat. The ribs we made with this machine had a somewhat more tender, fall-off-the-bone quality than the rest. The hefty price tag is the one thing that might stop you in your tracks. The Breville Fast Slow Pro can list for nearly double the cost of most models. While it is a better product than most of our test fleet, it's still a considerable investment. However, if you prefer to keep your hands away from the steam valve or if you love making pressure cooker ribs, you may find this model as well worth the additional cost. For a top-performing pressure cooker that won't break the bank, Instant Pot's Duo Plus V4 fits the bill nicely, with admirable scores across all categories yet priced to leave a good deal of extra cash in your pocket to stock up on groceries. Number 3. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini Electric Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo Mini makes cooking for one fun and easy. This 3-quart cooker won't take up much space in your kitchen, and a smaller size doesn't translate to lower quality. We feel the Mini can perform as well as larger models, and even better in some cases. This 7-in-1 cooker offers nearly all the same cooking functions as larger versions. It can double as a rice or slow cooker. It also steams, sautés, makes yogurt, sous vides, and much more. During our tests, we found the sauté function to be superb. It also steams a decent batch of rice but requires a little more fine-tuning when cooking some types of meat. At just 9 pounds and 11 inches tall, this model is incredibly portable and can be stored in nearly any cupboard or shelf. We also feel it is petite enough to remain a countertop appliance. Cooking for two is certainly an option with the Mini. It's just large enough for couples. This Instant Pot Duo Mini is quite small, so if you cook for more than 2 people, don't be lured in by its affordable price. It won't be large enough to accommodate a large family. We weren't completely happy with how it cooks some meats. Some of our ribs came out just a bit dry. However, we feel over time this will improve as we learn this model's cooking nuances. Lastly, we think the Mini's 2-foot power cord is too short. Electrical outlets in dorm rooms or older homes and apartments are few and far between. A longer cord would give this model greater range and functionality. When you are ready to tackle meals for a full household, consider Presto's budget-priced non-stick 6-quart model or a larger option by Instant Pot, the Duo Plus V4, which is one of our favorites because of its high-caliber cooking functions, user-friendly design, and approachable price point. Number 4. Ninja OL701 Footy 14-in-1 Smart XL 8QT Pressure Cooker. Ninja has a proven track record of creating high-quality and multi-purpose kitchen appliances. The Ninja Footy Smart XL is one of our absolute favorite cookers to use. Its standout feature is sheer versatility. The product is a pressure cooker, a steamer, and an air fryer. This cooking trifecta allows the Ninja to broil, bake, roast, slow cook, sauté, and much more. It also offers a superb dehydration setting. This newest Ninja model is the most convenient yet. Past models required different lids for each cooking function. However, this version introduces smart lid technology. This allows users to switch between the 3 cooking modes with just the push of a finger. Our favorite part of the Ninja is that it can use multiple cook functions to cook 3 different dishes simultaneously. We also love that it tells us goodbye when we turn it off. The elephant in the room is this product's weight and size. It's nearly 15 inches tall and weighs 25 pounds. Lifting and moving the Ninja may be challenging for some people, and storing it in a cupboard or on a pantry shelf could be challenging. It's also a little too large to be a permanent countertop fixture. Overall, we feel this is an excellent multi-use cooker, but it's a little inconsistent when it pressure cooks meat. If you can compromise on the dehydration and air fryer features, you will love the smaller size and flawless results Breville's Fast Slow Pro delivers in the kitchen. Number 5. Yeti Tango 2-in-1 Air Fryer and Pressure Cooker. Yeti Houseware's famed award-winning pressure cooker is the first and only electric pressure cooker ever to be selected to Oprah's Favorite Things list. The Yeti Air Fryer has been selected by Business Insider as the best overall air fryer 3 years in a row and counting. By combining Yeti's 2 specialties together, the Yeti Tango 2-in-1 Air Fryer/Pressure Cooker compounds versatility and excellence. Cook meals in minutes, less than half the time of conventional appliances. Air fry, pressure cook, slow cook, dehydrate, sauté, steam, make cakes, pasteurize, make yogurt, cook rice, and warm up leftovers, all with Yeti's Tango. Included with every purchase are 2 egg racks/steaming trivets, a frying basket, ladle, rice paddle, cooking mitts, extra silicone sealing ring, stainless steel steaming basket, stainless steel inner cooking pot, and a measuring cup. Each purchase comes with an originally created recipe book and easy-to-follow cheat sheets. In addition, the Yeti Houseware Appliances website has tons of recipes, and the Yeti Houseware Instagram has new content and recipe videos uploaded every week. Within 1 year of your purchase on Amazon, Yeti Houseware will refund your money and/or replace your purchase if you have any issues with it.